Do you know business owners globally are paying anywhere from $6,250 to $12,650 to manage multiple tasks and multiple expensive tools to run their online business? But even after paying so much, they are not getting the desired results they deserve and are eagerly looking for technology that manages their online business in a cost-effective manner. Just imagine, what if you had battle-tested artificial intelligence-based technology that manages your entire business in one single dashboard? Imagine a minute from now you can get access to 7 powerful marketing apps, which lets you create stunning websites, build mind-blowing Ultra HD 4K videos, create eye-catchy graphics and designs, generate attention-grabbing images, creates 100% Google-friendly marketing content, replies 24/7, 365 to your customer queries, craft high-converting marketing copies, and much more in one single dashboard for a low one-time fee. And finally, you too can stop paying huge monthly subscriptions to expensive and complicated platforms like ClickFunnels, Leadpages, Jasper AI, Convertri, Wix, Shutterstock, Canva, and 100+ platforms once and for all. Yes, what I am about to show you today is a premium collection, 7 stunning hand-picked apps that have never been offered before to anyone else for a low one-time price. With these apps by your side, even you can say goodbye to manual work. Let AI do everything. Create stunning websites, Ultra HD 4K videos, eye-catchy graphics and designs, converts your thoughts into attention-grabbing images, creates 100% Google-friendly marketing content, replies 24/7, 365 to your customer queries, and much more in 3 easy clicks for a low one-time price. So, if you are an affiliate marketer, email marketer, product creator, SaaS seller, an agency owner, a small or medium business owner, or anyone operating in the digital marketing arena and looking to grab your share from this huge untapped opportunity without wasting money on hiring expensive freelancers, without creating a single website, landing page, or video yourself, without spending tons of time and energy creating voiceovers for the video, without paying huge monthly subscriptions to complicated platforms, without doing any grunt work yourself, or depending on self-proclaimed marketing gurus, I've got some great news for you today. Proudly presenting
SmartPal AI.
World's first and all-in-one complete business marketing suite AI app auto-creates stunning websites, Ultra HD 4K videos, eye-catchy graphics and designs, converts your thoughts into attention-grabbing images, creates 100% Google-friendly marketing content, replies 24/7, 365 to your customer queries in 3 clicks for a low one-time price. With this in your marketing arsenal, even newbies can stop paying huge monthly subscriptions to expensive and complicated marketing platforms and ultimately save over $12,650 per year with no third-party dependency and no prior tech or marketing skills. Just follow 3 easy steps. 1. Log in. 2. Activate. 3. Profit. Here are some of its amazing features. World's first and most advanced AI marketing suite replaces 100+ complicated and expensive platforms. Get 7 powerful business-boosting apps for less than your morning coffee. AI creates ClickFunnels-style websites that convert random visitors into happy customers. AI creates Adobe-style videos from just a single keyword that grabs maximum eyeballs. AI generates Jasper-like profitable marketing copies for any offer in 3 clicks. AI creates eye-catchy graphics and images that grabs 10 times customer attention. AI automates customers' replies and never lets a single query unanswered. AI creates SEO-optimized content that ranks high on Google. AI always replies to your customers, even when you're in your dreams. Save thousands of dollars monthly from expensive and complicated third-party subscriptions. 0 tech skills, 0 marketing skills, and 0 manual work. And I haven't mentioned the coolest part. Only for the early action takers, we're offering limited-time commercial licenses to provide top-notch, high-in-demand services to tons of hungry customers globally and keep 100% of the profits yourself. But hurry, don't let this massive opportunity of releasing all your dreams slip away through the cracks. Please don't go back to wasting money and time and tools that simply don't work, as your purchase is covered by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. There's nothing to worry about at your end. The only thing remaining is to go ahead and take action, as we're giving tons of bonuses only if you grab your copy today. But hurry, once this special time period's over,
SmartPel AI
will be available for a premium monthly fee only. So stop thinking and grab
SmartPel AI
today at the lowest price ever. This one-time offer will never be available again. Good luck, and we'll see you on the inside.